I'm so excited. This is my first unboxing video. So in my last video, I announced that I joined the ARIO team, and the team noticed very well that I don't have any ARIO swag. So they were so gracious to send me a box of swag. And so I actually want to take this opportunity to create an unboxing video. We're going to play with the fact that I got some new lights, some cool colors, and I even got a nice little stand to do some unboxing. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty. One thing's for sure, I'm gonna have to get a freaking manicure if I'm gonna do a bunch of unboxing videos. Let's check this out. 2 pounds delivered on the 2nd. All right, cool. Dude, that was only like, that's not even a week. That's some fast shipping. Kudos to Andrew. Okay, so there's a bag and this. Oh, all right. Cool. I'm gonna have to open that up. Should I do it now? Yes, I should do it now. Let's do this first. I need a letter opener or something like that. This is the jankiest unboxing video ever. What is this? Happy holidays from PDS. Dude, I love this. All right, I'm gonna allow you guys to figure out what the binary says. Obviously, I can't read it right off the bat or anything like that. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, so find out in the comments who can say what is the binary. Thank you for being such an important part of the team this year. May your joyful memories of the season always be permanent. Happy holidays, Phil. Sweet. Dude, okay. That is an awesome card. I like that. All right. Now let's find out what is in here. Grab this. What is in here? Dude, you know what? I've already lost these. My kids have already stolen them. They're not even home yet, and I might as well just swear them off because they're gonna love these. Dude, that is super adorable. Alrighty. You know what? I think they got 2 on purpose because they know I have 2 kids. Man, that is genius. All right. Got a little R Drive shirts. Man, these elephants have more swag than I do right now. Oh, is this a polo? Okay, all right. Let's pull this out. All right. Sorry, elephants. Got to make some space. All right, check this out. Oh, yes. Yes, there's going to be some videos in this polo. I think I look good at polos. I mean, I don't have a lot of polos, but I do know this is going to be my new favorite polo. I love this. This is awesome with the PDS logo on it. Alrighty. Okay, moving on to the next one. Fold it, otherwise my mother-in-law would kill me. If you're watching this, lo siento. Here we go. And nice little hard drive pen. Dig that. Yeah, definitely wearing that for some videos. Oh, I love these kind of shirts. All I have is black shirts, but I totally dig them. Permissionless and permanent. Dude, this is some good video swag, I think. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Didn't even see the back. Look at that. Yes. The ARIO elephant. Love it. This is awesome. Okay, that's going. I think I'm gonna wear this one for the next video. I don't know. I can't tell. Polo or this one? Polo or this one? All right, we'll find out. And then there's a couple more things in here. What is this? Oh, that's awesome, dude. I love this. R Drive beanie. Okay, fun fact about the little plushie on top of these hats. Did you know that this plushie was actually originally added there by Navy sailors so that they can feel something before they actually bang their head on anything? That's what the plushie was originally for. It's a Navy men adding that on there so they don't bang their head while walking around the ship. Fun fact. Anyways, moving on. Then there is, ooh, I love notebooks. I love notebooks. Now, I doubt it's one of these, but my absolute favorite notebooks in the world, are bullet notebooks. Those are my, or dotted, or whatever you want to call them. I doubt it's a dotted, but still, this is still really nice. Oh, I like the kind of the felt feel to it. It's a normal one, but still, it's freaking cool. I have tons of notebooks, so this is really cool. I do enjoy having a good notebook. And then I think that is, oh, there's a few more things in here. Yes. Yep, that's going on the computer. Of course it's going on the computer. Pay once, store forever. Love it. And what is... I thought it was just a random permanent marker, but it's actually branded. That's freaking cool. I love that. Permanent marker. I love the play on words on it. That's awesome. And that is it. And then this sweet bag, which probably now belongs to my mother-in-law because she loves these things. This is awesome. All right, so we'll just lay this out real quick. Almost. Here, there. Nice little permanent marker. Navy plushy beanie. And then we got the ARIO shirt. I'll fold this up. And then we've got this and the pen. That is awesome box. Thank you guys. Oh, also, can't forget the card. Thank you guys for this. This is so sick. Appreciate it. And that's it. Special thanks to Phil, Johnny, Andrew that shipped me the box, and the rest of the PDS team. You guys have been super duper welcoming, and I'm really excited to actually put some of this swag to use. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.